I meant yeah.
This large archway is known as Grand Portal. According to government charts, Grand Portal is the highest rock formation along the Pictured Rocks, standing at 208 feet high. Despite its natural beauty, Spray Falls is also the site of one of the earliest and worst maritime vessels, ironically named the Superior, lost its rudder.
Almost done with our tour. A little bummed. There's a lot of fog, so we didn't get to see a lot on the way back. But we got to see some good stuff on the way out here.
Hey Maddie, come show me. Show me your winning muscles. Woo, yeah girl.
Keep walking. Keep walking. So cool.
We're doing the Munising Falls waterfall hike right at the visitor center here. This is the upper falls. We're almost underneath this rock face here.
This one is the other rubber, and these ones are the family. These ones are Mama, Papa, and Grandpa or Sierra. Guys,
I'm looking at things too. That was an epic little trail. Got some mud on the truck. It's gonna need a car wash. I just drove down here to Castle Falls parking lot. That's gonna get me out to Mosquito Beach. And I just wanna say that sometimes, even if there's a line of cars on the parking lot in the road getting the place, it's good to go the whole way to the end of the parking lot. Because I saw people coming the other way and I made the bet. And there was parking spots at the end, and there's still parking spots, and people are leaving right now. So, like, go the whole way, especially if you're coming later in the day like I am today. So after all of those cars in the parking lot and on the road, I've seen like 30 people max so far on this trail. I think everyone went to the beach. I'm on the Mosquito Falls and Mosquito River Trail. There's like nobody here. It's great. It's beautiful.